Normal conversations happening in a vegetable market.
How much is potato?
6 rupees a kilo.
A kilo, please.
Right, ma'am.
2 kilos of wheat, please.
Sorry, madam, we have run out of wheat.
Have you wheat flour?
Yes, we have Tripti wheat flour. Shall I take it?
Well, give me a 1 kilo packet, please.
Here you are, ma'am.
How much is black gram?
40 rupees a kilo. Do you want mosquito mats?
Yes, get me a packet of Goodnight, please. Half a kilo of beans, please. Is it fresh, by the way?
Very fresh, madam. Just arrived.
I see.
But will half a kilo do?
Oh yes, that's enough.
How much for that silk saree?
1500 rupees.
How much for the shampoo?
28 rupees.
How much for Colgate toothpaste?
10 rupees for 100 grams tube.
How much for wheat flour?
650 a kilo.
How much are those flower pots?
8 rupees each.
Do you have some other lady's fingers?
Why, madam?
These are not tender at all.
Sorry. This is all what we have.
A bottle of sunflower oil, please.
Shall I take Sanola?
Yes. How much is it a bottle?
48 rupees. Here you are.
And here's the money. How much is this cabbage?
Let me wait. It's a kilo and 200 grams. That will be 480.
Would you give it for 4?
How can I give it at such a low price, madam? You can take it for 450.
I'll take it if it's only 4.
Okay, have it your way.
Have you coffee powder here?
Of course. We have Ennis coffee powder.
Ennis Coffee? Never heard of it.
Well, it's brand new, madam.
Really? Would it be good?
Sure, I use it at home myself.
I see. Get me a quarter kilo packet then. What about coconut?
550 each.
I'll take 2 if it's 5.
Okay, take it.
Isn't rule paper available here?
Sorry, it's not available here.
Where can I get it?
Try at the paper mart.
Weigh half a kilo of brinjal, please.
Right, ma'am.
Take that one away.
Why?
That's rotten.
Oh, I see.
Wait. Take away that too.
Okay.
A bottle of sunflower oil, please.
Shall I take Sanola?
Yes. How much is it a bottle?
48 rupees. Here you are.
And here's the money. Is groundnut available here?
Yes, it is.
Isn't boiled rice available here?
Sorry, madam. There's no stock. You need only onions and tomatoes? Nothing else?
Get me a bunch of spinach too.
But it's slightly wilted, madam.
Oh, no need then. Onions and tomatoes will do.
Show me some bangles.
Here are the varieties, madam. Choose what you want.
I prefer this. Have you any other color in this design?
Sorry, madam. That's all we have.
Green chilies for a rupee and ginger for 2, please.
Well, then,
Curry leaves for 50 paise.
is that all you want?
Yeah.
What are the things you want, madam?
A packet of Nirma,
Yes.
2 cakes of Synthol soap,
Then,
and a 100-gram tube of Colgate toothpaste.
Is that all, ma'am?
Yeah,
Shall I prepare the bill then?
go on. Give me 2 drumsticks. How much?
3 rupees.
That means 150 for each?
Yes.
But why is it so dear?
It's out of season, ma'am.
Oh, I see. How much will this jackfruit cost?
15 rupees.
Shall I give 10?
But that's what I bought it at. Take it for 12 if you want.
No, I'll pay only 10.
No, madam, nothing less than 12.
Can I have 200 grams of dalda, please?
Oh, no, ma'am. We have only half kilo refill packs.
I'll take one.
Here you are.
Have you mushrooms?
They are very rare at this time.
Then take a kilo of carrot, please. How much is it?
16 rupees.
My goodness, 16 rupees. It was only 10 last week.
That's right. But the prices have gone up, madam.
Then give me only a half.
As you say.
I need some cardamom. Can I get it here?
Sure.
Can I get jaggery here?
Sorry, we have run out of stock.
What's the total bill?
A kilo of onions, half a kilo of tomatoes, and quarter a kilo of beans. That's all?
Yeah,
That will be 11.50.
here's the money. What's the bill like?
Chili powder, quarter. Coriander, 200. Turmeric, 100. And 100 grams of mustard. That's all, isn't it?
Yeah,
That will be 31.50, madam.
put it in my account, please.
Sure, ma'am.
What do you want, madam?
A kilo of onions,
Then?
half a kilo of tomatoes, and
And?
quarter a kilo of beans. That's all.
Okay.
Have you got apples?
Yes, we have. How many do you want?
A dozen. What's the price?
20 rupees a dozen.
Do you want beetroot, madam?
But I've already bought it.
Cauliflower is dash cheap, ma'am. Only 4 rupees a kilo.
Really? Get me a kilo then.
Grocery shop. You may ask, do we need to speak in English in a grocery shop? Fine. Nowadays, in place of grocery stores, supermarkets are there, in everywhere. So, we also have to change accordingly.
How much is this rice?
12 rupees a kilo.
And what about this?
That is 14.50.
Give me 5 kilos of this 1450 rice.
Don't you want any washing powder?
No, I need a bar soap.
May I give Sunlight bar soap?
Yes, you may.
Can I get some better quality ghee here?
Yes. We have Ashwini ghee.
Would it be good?
Bring it back if you're not satisfied. I'll pay the money back.
If that's so, I'll take a half kilo bottle.
There. Sure, ma'am.
Will you be having mosquito nets?
Yes, madam. Single or double?
A double. Of good quality.
Here is Bombay Dyings, the best one available in the market.
Do you have dry chilies?
Yes, we do.
Show me, please.
This is 48 and that one is 52.
Get me a kilo of the 52 then.
I need a toy gun. Can I get it here?
We have the AK-47 type and the regular type.
Let me have one of the AK-47 type. How much is it?
180 only.
Madam, we are in stock of Bonvita. Shall I get it?
Yes, I need one.
Would you take a bottle or a refill pack?
What's the difference?
Well, the bottle is 59 and the refill pack is only 57 rupees.
Oh, a difference of just 2 rupees. I'll take the bottle then. Show me a better quality of raw rice, please.
Here you are.
How do you sell this tamarind?
24 rupees a kilo.
How much is sugar?
12 rupees a kilo, ma'am.
Get me 2 kilos, please.
Yes. How about tea leaves?
Yes, I need that too. I'll take half a kilo, please.
Which one?
Taj Mahal tea, please.
Don't you want tea leaves?
No, I've already bought it.
Shall I take dalda?
Yes, give me half a kilo pack.
What's it that you want?
A packet of sambar powder, please.
Here, madam.
What's this? Regal? Don't you have Everest?
Everest is in short supply, madam.
But I don't want this. I've used it earlier. It's not good at all.
And in grocery stores, in supermarkets, and so on, some conversations going on.
Have you sugar?
Yes, we have.
Do you have dry ginger?
Sorry, we don't.
Don't you have kerosene?
Sorry, we don't sell it. How many papads do you want?
25, please.
How much coconut oil would you like?
Half a liter, please.
How can we inquire about the needed things during our shopping? Radha Varma needs washing powder. She asks the salesman.
Have you any washing powder?
Yes, we have Nirma.
Then get me a packet of 500 grams.
Here it is.
You can purchase all the things you need from a grocery shop in this way. Now, you ask.
Have you dal?
Yes, we have.
Have you phenyl?
No, we don't have.
Have you sugar?
No, it's out of stock.
Have you plantains?
No, it's all sold out.
Have you any shampoo?
Yes, we have Sunsilk shampoo.
Have you Amul spray?
Sorry, we have no stock now.
Have you woolen blankets?
Yes, we have many varieties.
But some people ask in this way too during the shopping.
Is rice available here?
Yes, madam.
How do you sell it?
6 rupees a kilo.
Do you have electric water heaters?
No, but we have geyser.
What's the advantage?
It's compact and gives instant hot water.
Can you show me a good electric iron?
Sure. Ordinary or automatic?
Automatic.
Here's the latest from Murphy Richards.
Don't you have Amul spray?
Yes, we have. May I take a 1 kg tin?
No. 500 grams will do.
Please wait. I'll bring it now.
I would like to have a pair of anklets. Do you have them?
Yes, madam. Here are the sizes.
Don't you have any other designs?
See over there, madam. In that enclosure.
Have you any tablets for headache?
Sorry, we don't sell them.
Is there any medical shop close by?
Yes. There's one. 2 shops after this.
Have you got briefcases?
Yes, We have several varieties.
Do you have VIP?
Yes, we are their distributors.
The differences in rates of commodities are very common nowadays. So we are often forced to inquire about the commodity rates before purchasing. How can we inquire about the rates and purchase? Radha Varma needs to buy a pen. Let's see how she asks for its rate.
How much for that pen?
This one or that one?
The one next to the red one?
It's 5 rupees.
Now you can even ask for the rates of item from the shop in this way too.
What's the price of that flask?
150 including tax.
And that small one next to it?
That one costs 90.
What's the price of this table fan?
The list price is 800.
What's your selling price?
Less 5%.
What are you asking for these empty bottles?
40 rupees the lot.
May I offer 30?
Yes, you may take it.
What does that cost?
Which one?
That flower vase.
It's priced at 20 rupees.
This is Videocon washing machine, isn't it?
Yes, it's their latest model.
How much will it cost me?
8,500 rupees only.
Has any baby food come?
Yes, Parex has.
Can you tell me the price?
It's 32 rupees for a half kg tin.
Could you tell me the price of this mixie?
This is Sumit Mixie. 1,600 rupees.
Can't you give it for 1,500 rupees?
No, madam. This is a fixed rate.
Sometimes in shopping, we meet some smart salesman who can understand the customer needs well in advance. This is how they speak to us.
Don't you want toothbrush?
Yes, I am in need of one.
May I give you Colgate toothbrush?
Yes, you may.
Don't you want any greeting card?
Yes, I want some Christmas cards.
And how about New Year cards?
Yes, I want a few of them too.
Don't you want Maida?
No, I want rice flour.
How much, madam?
2 kilos, please.
We also need to have a good reply to such salesmen who prompt us to take each things from grocery, right?
Don't you want candles?
Yes, I want some.
Don't you want a plum cake?
No, I want a cream cake.
Don't you want dates?
Yes, give me a kilo.
Don't you want a TV stand?
No, I already have one.
Don't you want water filter?
Yes, I need one. But not now.
Don't you want hairpins?
Yes, I need some.
Don't you want bangles?
Oh no, I have enough.